Okay, so this is the third lesson on measurement. So today we're going to carry on looking at equivalent lengths. So like we did yesterday, but we're going to move it on a little bit, boys and girls. So if you have your ruler, then you can be looking at your ruler as you're listening to the video. Okay, so again, we looked at this yesterday, but at the very top here, we've got 10 millimeters. Remember what we said yesterday was 1 centimeter. So 2 centimeters would be 20 millimeters, 3 centimeters would be 30 millimeters. So here we've got 50 millimeters, is 5 centimeters, 100 millimeters would be 10 centimeters, 200 millimeters would be 20 centimeters, 300 millimeters would be 30 centimeters, and so on. And also 100 centimeters that we talked about yesterday is 1 meter. Remember the meter stick that Mrs. Corcoran has at the front of the class that we use when we're counting. Okay, so here you can see a meter stick, and it says here if A, so here you can see A equals 10 centimeters, calculate the missing measurements. So this is our meter stick and we're going up in our tens. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 centimetres is 1 metre. Like we says here, 100 centimetres is 1 metre. So A is 10 centimetres. What would B be? So we've just counted up there. We've got 0 and we're counting up in our tens. So it would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 centimetres. So B would be 50 centimetres. It's asking you what C would be. So here's C. That's the end. We know what that is, a full metre. And it says here 1 metre is 100 centimetres. So we've got to go back one. So we can go back one and we can count up again in our tens. So we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 centimetres. Okay, so C equals 90 centimetres. And finally, 1 metre, we all know this, I should hear you shouting at the top of your voice, 1 metre equals 100 centimetres. Again, if you count up, and we do this in class quite a lot, count up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 centimetres equals 1 metre. Okay. The next thing here, it says, if there are 100 centimetres in 1 metre, which we know there are, how many centimetres are there in 2 metres? And how many centimetres are there in 3 metres? Okay, so 1 metre is 100 centimetres, 2 metres would be 200 centimetres, 3 metres would be 300 centimetres. If 100 centimetres is equal to 1 whole metre, what fraction of a metre would 50 centimetres be equivalent to? So 50 centimetres. So remember, go back up to our metre stick where we got up to 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it's here. Okay. So what is that equivalent to? So that's equivalent to half a metre. If you look, that is exactly halfway. So 50 centimetres, because that's half of 100, is half a metre. Okay, and again here, 2 metres, which we've talked about, 2 metres is 200 centimetres, and 5 metres would be 500 centimetres. Okay, I hope that will help you when you get onto your sheet on Purple Mash. I'm sure it will. Good luck. Well done. Bye-bye.